Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. The Sephora VIB spring sale is on. So you know what that means. Time for another haul, y'all. The Sephora spring sale is on, and I think this year will be the smallest haul I will have brought you. Now that I'm sitting here, I'm thinking about one more item that I might want to pick up that I have forgotten about. But yeah, I think to date, this is the smallest one yet, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. There just wasn't a lot that I wanted this year. Yeah, you know, I have I don't know if you saw the video, I have the makeup I'm not buying in 2021, so that's kind of restricted me a little bit. But yeah, I haven't seen a whole lot yet this year that I've wanted, which is good because, you know, it's always nice to save money. So this should be a quick video. And let me go ahead and show you the few items that I picked up. The first one is a foundation. Now, I know, we talked about this. I'm not supposed to be buying foundations in 2021. But what had happened was I didn't, in my mind I thought, I have a cabinet full of foundations, but I didn't think I had any foundations for summer because, I did a foundation declutter, and yeah, so I didn't think I had any foundations in my summer shades. So I went on ahead and I bought another one, and then after I purchased this, I went and saw that, oh wait, there's a whole Cover FX bottle never been opened in my summer shade. So I could return this. We'll see. This foundation is Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I have this foundation in my winter shade, which is 5N 1.5. And this I bought in 6W1 Sandalwood. And I believe I had a sample, like a blister pack or something, of different colored foundations, and Sandalwood was one of them, and it was the summertime, and I tried it. They don't give you enough to actually try, but I swatched it and I remember it being the right shade. So I think I'm gonna hold on to this one, and if I actually leave the house this spring and summer and get a tan, then I think this one will work for me. So we shall see. The Cover FX one that I have is a thicker, they're both full coverage. This is full coverage, Cover FX is full coverage. But that one is a little more thicker in consistency, and I've come to find that I really like the thinner formulas, and the Double Wear is a thinner formula, although it has great coverage as well. So I'll probably just hold on to it. Next up is a repurchase, and it is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I have it in the shade 4.5. That is what I have been using, and I really like it. That's what I use today. This is what I use every day to do my brows, and I've really been enjoying it. I think this will be my third one. Yeah, because I finished one already. So I have another one that I'm using, and this will be my third one. So hello. And then a new item. This is from Peace Out, and it is the Retinol Eye Stick. So if you follow me for any amount of time, you know how I feel about my under eye wrinkles. They are prominent, and they are plentiful, and they appear to be just getting more and more out of hand. So I just saw this. I hadn't seen any reviews on this. I haven't seen anyone talk about this, but I tried out the Peace Out Salicylic Acne Serum, which is the item that I think I'm going to purchase before the sale is over. I've forgotten about it. I liked it. I used it. You saw it in an empties video, and I do want to repurchase it. So I figured, well, I like that item from Peace Out, so let me try this retinol stick. And it got mixed reviews on Sephora. This is what it looks like. It looks like a big lipstick, actually. And it got a lot of mixed views on Sephora. A lot of people said it was difficult to put on because they found that it dragged across the skin. But then the directions say to warm it up on your hand first and then apply it. And so some people say, yeah, that's great, that worked. Other people said it wasn't so good. So I'm gonna try it out. It is a wrinkle refining. It has wrinkle refining power players. So it has encapsulated retinol and peptides, and it's supposed to help soften the look of fine lines and smooth skin's texture. Your girl got a lot of texture going on, but I have a lot of texture under the eyes. And let me stop playing myself and put on my glasses so I can actually see what it says. Okay, it says a powerful anti-aging ingredient that softens the look of fine lines and smooth skin's texture. So that's encapsulated retinol. It has a power peptide complex, a blend that smooths skin texture, supports firmness, and visibly softens lines of aging. Squalane prevents dehydration in delicate skin, and astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C. This protective antioxidant helps visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So the whole retinol thing, you know, appealed to me. I haven't had a lot of success with retinols or retinoids because I find them irritating, especially in my eye area. I've tried other like creams with retin-A in it, well, with retinol in it, and found them to be irritating, so really couldn't continue using them. So, you know, I will try it and see. I'm gonna just put it up just to see how much you get. Okay, so you don't get a lot, but hopefully you don't have to use a lot. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to come back and give you an update on how it's going. Next up is an item that's been around for years, but I've never tried it until now, and it's from KVD, because I don't even know what that stands for anymore. KVD Vegan Beauty, whatever. It's still in the Kat Von D old packaging. And it is their tattoo liner, but this is the mini. And yeah, when they say mini, they're not kidding. So, you know, I've heard a lot about this liner and finally decided to pick it up. I saw that, I don't know the tip, it's a felt tip liner. I thought the tip would have been a little shorter than this. I like short tips because I feel like I have more control with a short tip, but it's a little longer than I was expecting. But you know, this has really great reviews and I thought I would give it a try. I've been using gel liners with a brush, and I'm not the greatest with that. I'm not the greatest with pens either, but I thought I would give it a shot. I didn't realize that they made a mini, so I went on ahead and got it. And now for an actual new item. It's not that new, but it's relatively new. It's from Kosas, and it is the Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder, and I got it in the shade Softly, which is sheer tan. The next shade up just looked like it was going to be too deep, so I went and got this one. I've seen other videos. It seems like it is sheer, so if it is as sheer as I think, it should probably work for me. This is the packaging. It's plastic, but feels sturdy. And if I can get it open, this is the powder. This is the color Softly. And I did swatch it, and it's really soft. Let me do a swatch for you. Can you see that? Yeah. It's really soft, and then when you blend it in, it kind of just blends in to my skin. warm. It's warm, but and it feels matte. It feels matte. I don't know. I've been on the hunt. I've been on a thing for setting powders recently. So I thought I would give this a try. I was enticed by the fact that it's vegan, and lately I've been having a lot of breakouts. I used the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder, which broke me out. The Fenty Beauty setting powder broke me out. So the fact that this is vegan interested me, because I was hoping maybe that will mean it won't break me out. It'll be gentle on my skin. I don't know. So we'll see what happens. I've seen people using it in videos and they say it gives them kind of like a glow, or if you already have a glow, it doesn't mattify the glow down. It doesn't get rid of it. And as an oily person, especially going into the summertime, I don't even know if this is going to work for me in the summer, in the warmer months. But I don't know. I like matte. But we'll see what happens. I'll give it a go. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me use this in a video, or if you'd like me to come back and give you a review. And then finally, I did pick up some eyeshadows, because what is a Launette haul without any eyeshadows? These are not new, but as you may know, if you followed me here, I tried Natasha Denona's eyeshadow formula for the first time last year. Was it? No, I think it was this year. I bought it last year, and I think I didn't use it until this year. Yeah. So I've had good experiences with it. I have one mini palette and the glam palette. So I went on ahead and bought 2 more of the minis. The first one is the Zindo palette, and I don't know, just something about this color story appealed to me. I do like the peachy coral shades, the color scheme, and I do like this this silver right here. Let me go on ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's soft and silky. I don't know. I thought the dark shade in pictures, I thought that was a matte, but it is not. I haven't even swatched it. I was waiting for you. Ooh, I like that silver shade. And I have that powder on too. I didn't take that off, so I wonder if that's affecting the swatches. But yeah, very, very pretty. And then let's try these matte shades. There's 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. And okay, so those look like they will show up on me. So yeah, cool. I do like the formula in the glam palette. I know she has a tendency to be inconsistent with her formula, but I feel like lately she's been getting good reviews in terms of the formula. And then I got the Love palette, and I kind of always knew I wanted to get this palette. This one, not the big palette, because you know, I'm trying to stay away from all the pinks and the mauves, because I'm not supposed to be buying those this year in 2021. But Natasha Denona was an exception, if you'll recall, was an exception. If she came out with anything colorful or anything, you know, I was going to buy it. So I got the Love mini palette, and you know, it's pink, it's mauve-y, and I like pinks and I like mauves. And these shimmer shadows, oh, just so pretty. I do like the fact that this one has this deep plum matte shade in it. So let me just swatch these real quick. This one is a duochrome, evidently. And I love me a good duochrome. So those are the shimmers. And that's pretty. This duochrome reminds me a little bit of Corruption, the Pat McGrath shadow Corruption, which is in 2 of Pat's palettes. And now for the matte shades, this Deep Plum is just, oh, just calling my name. That's what they look like. And they're all smooth. Both palettes, they all swatch really smoothly. They feel smooth. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I know these are old palettes, so let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do a tutorial with any of these. And of course I will. I'm backed up on tutorials. I haven't felt like filming. I've been doing my makeup pretty regularly, actually. I've been enjoying doing some eye looks. I just haven't felt like filming them. So I go through these phases, you know. So that is it. I told you it was small, and I wasn't kidding this time. It was small. I probably will pick up the Peace Out Salicylic Acid Acne Serum. And, you know, am I the only one that throughout the sale goes onto the website every day, every other day, just to see if there's anything else that I can buy? See if any new stuff has dropped, because sometimes new makeup drops during the sale, you know. So right now this is it, and probably that one other items, but we'll see if, you know, I'll go back again and do some more damage. Let me know in the comments below, are you shopping the sale this year? And if so, what's on your list? If you liked this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do hauls, reviews, swatches, and tutorials every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.